A round of applause for the Curvature Tool. Illustrator's Curvature Pen Tool, my favourite tool for making Lineart. Let's have a look. Here is a sketch that I've been working on for a little while. Let's grab the Curvature Tool down the side here. Although it's the Curvature Tool, it also works really well for straight lines. To change a point between sharp and soft, you can either double click it or alt click it. If you hold shift, you can go in 45-degree increments. Graphics tablets are great, but you really can't beat the Curvature Tool for speed, editability, precision and cleanness. Let's have a look at some more rounded lines. Now let's have a look at some more organic lines. Let's taper these ends. That's a little thin, so if we grab the whip tool, we can beef those up a bit. These lines are still quite uniform, so how about we make our own variable width profile? Let me save that. Now let's try that out. Need a flat end on here. Go up to stroke and flip that around. Perfect.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my hilarious collection of rap battles every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and second to last one of the month. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Don't forget to hashtag me on